Nej, jag har inte varit con eso. Yo puse unas placas como.
Right, everyone watching at home, well, at least the non-Man United fans and everybody watching in Germany via Labour News anyway, will be thinking United always get the breaks here. Do they? I think a lot of the bigger clubs do. I think it's human nature for the officials if they'll go to home. Particularly the bigger ones, so I wouldn't actually argue with that point. Let's get it. Manchester United have finished top of their pre-Christmas Champions League group 6 times in the last 7 years. But it's rare to land a draw with a third seed from Germany and a fourth seed from Spain. This is a tough assignment. Took to Ukraine to come in 2 weeks' time to face Shakhtar Donetsk and their all-star Brazilian attack. Then it's Real Sociedad who play some very attractive football coming here to Old Trafford. Now 3 points on the board before all that. It's vital for them. A few changes for the weekend like that.
Ah!
Is for Lady. Ready? Go
Ha 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 ha!